Hi everybody, welcome to December's Doug box, a fantastic box this month, really excited about it. So we have got loads of propagation going on. So we have chili seeds, so 5 different varieties of chili seeds, from some nice mild ones up to some nice hot ones, and a few very interesting varieties there. One commonly known as the grapefruit chili, so some really unusual things there. And we're taking cuttings from this fantastic Scindapsus plant. So the golden Pothos, a great house plant, a trailing house plant, and one that actually is really useful to take cuttings from. So we're learning how to take cuttings. You'll find actually you suddenly look in your garden or your house plants and stuff like that and you think, oh, I could take cuttings from this. So we're going to teach you all through that. You get the pots for it, obviously, you get the cell tray and the greenhouse lid, all the seeds you need, and the labels, and of course the magazine, and every step of the way we show you how to do it. So a great Doug box in December. Make sure you check it out. See you soon.